Hello everyone. In this video, I will discuss with you more than 5 variety of Tulsi plants. I will discuss with you the different properties of all these Tulsi plants and which one you should probably keep in your home. So keep watching till the end and let's start the video. So the first Tulsi that I'm going to talk about is known as Rama Tulsi. This is probably the most common plant which is used in Indian homes. This is grown for religious, spiritual and a lot of medicinal benefits also. Almost all varieties of Tulsi have different medicinal benefits, including the Rama Tulsi. This is an extremely easy to grow plant and you can easily propagate it through its seeds. You can sow the seeds right now in September, or you can wait till February and you can sow the seeds then. Now this plant requires at least 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight, so always choose a sunny spot for your Rama Tulsi plant. The next variety of Tulsi that we are going to discuss is the Marwa Tulsi, also known as Thai Basil. Unlike the Rama Tulsi that we discussed earlier, which had more stockier leaves, the leaves of Thai Basil or Marwa are more slender and they are more pointy. If you have any mouth ulcers, intestinal worms or gum related problems, you can just take a couple of leaves of the Marwa plant and you can chew on them. It will greatly benefit you. The next variety of Tulsi that we're going to talk about is the Kapoor Tulsi. Now, just as the name suggests, this plant smells greatly of camphor. The leaves of this plant are highly aromatic and that is why it is used as a mosquito repelling plant. The leaves of the Kapoor Tulsi are quite distinctive from the other varieties of Tulsi. You can clearly see the ridges on the leaves, which distinguishes them from the other varieties of the Tulsi plant. Now the leaves of this plant are very soft and they almost feel like velvet when you touch them. This plant is great for treating congestion due to cough and cold. Just take a couple of leaves from the Kapoor Tulsi plant and boil them and just inhale the steam. It will greatly benefit you. The next variety of Tulsi that we are going to talk about is the Krishna Tulsi, which is probably the most easy to distinguish between all the other varieties of Tulsi that we have discussed till now. The leaves of the Krishna Tulsi plant are purple in color, but sometimes they do change their color to green if you do not provide them with enough sunlight. But even if the leaves change their color to green, you can still easily distinguish them by looking at the stems, because the stems will remain purple no matter what. This variety of Tulsi, Krishna Tulsi, is the most common variety which is generally used in almost all Ayurvedic medicines and is probably the most rich plant when it comes to medicinal values out of all the other Tulsi varieties that we have discussed till now. So now that we have seen the different varieties of the Tulsi plant, now let us discuss which one we should keep in our home. So let us start from the beginning. First we discussed was the Rama Tulsi. Rama Tulsi has a great religious and spiritual significance. It has some medicinal benefits as well. You can definitely grow Rama Tulsi in your home. Marwa Tulsi again has a lot of medicinal benefits. You can grow Marwa Tulsi very easily in your home. Vana Tulsi you should probably avoid growing in your home just because it will take shape of a small shrub and it's not very ideal for home growing conditions. You should probably avoid Vana Tulsi. The third Tulsi we discussed was a Kapoor Tulsi. Kapoor Tulsi is great for cold and cough and congestion. You can grow Kapoor Tulsi in your home. The fifth variety of Tulsi was the Krishna Tulsi, which has probably the most medicinal benefits out of all the other varieties that we have discussed till now. So if you have space only for one kind of Tulsi, I would probably suggest you should go with the Krishna Tulsi and not any other Tulsi, because the Krishna Tulsi is overall a winner for me because it has the most medicinal properties out of all the Tulsis that we have mentioned till now. So if you can grow just one Tulsi, you should probably grow only the Krishna Tulsi. But if you do have the luxury, if you do have the space to grow more than one plant in your home, you should grow as many plants as you can, as many Tulsi plants as you can in your home. So that was my verdict on which Tulsi plant you should grow in your home. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a like and do subscribe to my channel for more gardening related content if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.